Hello children, how are you all doing? Children, today I have some nice and simple pictures for you. Let me show them to you. Who is this? This is a boy. Who is this? This is a girl. Now children, you can recognize boy and girl by their faces. Now look at this picture. Whose face is this? This is a boy's face. And whose face is this? This is a girl's face. But children, do you know how to draw a boy's face and a girl's face? You don't know? It's okay, no problem. Let me teach you how to draw a boy's face and a girl's face. So today's our subject is drawing and topic is faces. Now before we start drawing, you have to do a practice of drawing a nice big circle. See, like this. You do the practice of drawing a nice big circle. Okay, draw it again and again. Slowly, nicely draw a big nice circle. And after that, you be ready with your drawing paper or drawing book. Then sharpen pencil and eraser and crayons. Let me show you how to draw boy's face and girl's face. Children, keep your drawing paper or drawing notebook horizontally like this. Okay? Then draw here one sleeping line to write the title, that is faces. F A C E S, faces. Write capital F. Then draw here one more line and write today's date on it. Okay, now let's start drawing. First, we are going to draw boy's face on left side, this side, and on the right side we are going to draw girl's face. Okay, so first you have to draw one big nice circle to draw boy's face. So slowly, nicely draw one big circle. Okay? Now let's draw hair of a boy. Now children, remember, you are drawing hair of a boy. For that, you have to draw two lines like this. These two lines show hair of a boy. Okay, now let's draw two ears. Then 2 eyes. Draw one curve inside the eyes. Then draw one small curve to show the nose and one big curve to show the mouth of a boy. Then draw here small 3 lines like this to show hair of a boy. So like this you have to draw the face of a boy. Then now let's draw girl's face. So again draw one big nice circle. Slowly draw it. Yes. Now let's draw hair of a girl. Now again you have to remember you are drawing hair of a girl. For that you have to draw 2 lines like this. Okay. Then draw 2 ears and draw here one hairband and ponytail. Draw here one more hairband and draw a ponytail like this. Done? All of you understood? Now let's draw 2 eyes. Then draw nose and mouth. If you want, you can draw one bindi here like this. Wow! Isn't it a nice and easy picture, children? All of you understood how to draw boy's face? See here? Yes? And then girl's face. Okay, now let me show you how to color this picture. For that, let me come to you. Hello children, see the picture which we have drawn just now. Now let me show you how to color this picture. Now first, let us color the boy's face. For that, you have to take skin color. And if you don't have skin crayon, then take yellow crayon and color the face of a boy like this. Color ears also. Okay, then after that you have to take black crayon and color the hair. But children, while coloring the hair, see, you have to leave fine line of paper, white only, to show the partition of hair. See how teacher has colored. See how teacher has left fine line of paper white to show the partition of hair. So you also don't color it with black crayon. Okay, then after coloring the hair, color eyebrows, eyeballs, nose and mouth also. Okay. Now let's color girl's face. You have to color it similarly like boy's face. Only you have to give red color to the hair bands and bindi. Okay. So color it nicely and slowly. After coloring, you have to give black outline with black crayon. See how teacher has given black outline to the picture. So give the black outline to the picture, and then your picture will look like this. Isn't it an attractive picture, children? Yes, it is. So, enjoy drawing, coloring and keep smiling. Bye bye. See you.